Hello everyone. So this week changes. So we have option now to pass operator for a new widget, and we have option also to see a static URL generated, and this URL can be used directly, for example, in email. So let's say I'm online, so you can just paste him this link and chat will be started and assigned directly to you. So another call I have defined what methods you can call directly from your JavaScript. So for example, if you are rendering a JavaScript in API mode, you can just call this event on your onClick, for example, and the widget would be shown. And there is some more events also defined. Also, we have new default text. It should be more useful for fresh installs, so user will see for what widget, what does it shows exactly, each of the widgets. So another thing I did, it was a not customer but community user request, like how do I verify user entered information. In this case, it's, for example, it wants to give information about some parcel. So for example, how it works. So I start a chat, I see two buttons, and you can have as many with quick response as you want. So I click where's my parcel, and I just enter a number, and you get, for example, from third-party API response. And source code is very simple actually. It's like 50 lines of codes only where I define the render event, which is also defined in the bot itself, like yeah, what is parser? So it's like here, search for parcel. So this event is visible here, and we choose based on, let's say, a logic, which should go here, what we should show for customer. Is it invalid format, or was the parcel found? Was it not found? And you can use like this replaceable variable directly in your message to customer. So another thing I have cloned, like one of community user who did some time ago Android client. So if anyone wishes, they can fork it and also make updates, for example. And like I'm not a mobile developer, so I myself do not develop mobile apps. So if anyone wishes, we can just start reuse this one, or it's up to them what we're gonna do. So another thing is about new widget is if you use widgets on the same domain and you embed in the same website, everything will work just fine. But for it to work on different domain, you may need to add these course headers to your Apache htaccess file. Otherwise, you may get like course errors. So you can always check for those in Google Chrome console just. But if you are using on the same domain where your website is, most of the time you do not have to do anything. Also, another thing, I did a lot of changes in the core regarding multiple client support, and I have also a video short prepared just for demonstration purposes, which I will publish also today. So basically the idea is that you install the helper chat in one place, and you can reuse and you can configure it that way that you can give your clients login and they won't see each other chats. of course, it's not a perfect solution, because perfect solution is just to use automated hosting plugin I have prepared. So, and the last one change is I have updated based on community feedback how search worked. Previously, search was done only message text when you type to search. Now it also includes a title. And basically, that's all for today.